Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you what I use as a hair mask to make my hair more shiny, less frizzy, more manageable. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Jasmine and Henna Fluff Eaze hair mask. And this is something that not just reviewing, but I always do use this, and I want to show you what I use for my hair to make it look more manageable and shiny and smell amazing. So if you guys want to see how I use this treatment and how, well, this is how it looks, but see how my hair looked before then, please keep on watching. Hey everyone. Okay, so I'm going to get right down to how I put this mask in my hair. So this is the Jasmine and Henna Fluff Eaze. It's 7.9 ounces, and again, I purchased this at Lush. Now let me just tell you what it says on the bottle. So it's a hair treatment that's a pre-wash treatment to get control of fluffy, untamed hair, leaving it soft and shiny. I use this mask once every 2 weeks, and you can use it more than if you want. But what I love about it is, number one, the smell. 2, it leaves your hair very shiny. And 3, it's very smooth. So usually when I use this mask, it's on about two-day-old hair. My scalp gets oily and it gets itchy just because, again, of the buildup, and you haven't washed your hair in 2 days. So what I love to do is I love to put this on right before I go into the shower. I leave this on for about, it says on the bottle, it says apply to dry hair, leave on for 20 minutes, then shampoo out. I usually use this for about 40 minutes. So on the website on Lush, it states, if your hair is frizzy, dry, or out of control, this beautifully floral treatment is made for you. It's packed with moisturizing organic hemp, Brazil nuts, and extra virgin coconut oil to control frizz, deeply hydrate hair, and define curls, if you've got them. We also use a red henna infusion to make your hair shine like crazy. And if your gorgeous tresses don't stop passerbyers in their tracks, the intense jasmine perfume from your head will catch their attention. So it's true. The jasmine really does smell amazing. Like, oh my God, it's a very fragrant conditioner, and it does leave your hair, like, people will realize, what do you have in your hair? It smells amazing. Alright, so we're going to start on the right side first. Okay, so we're going to take a good amount of this. And what I do is I actually start at the top by the roots. And I'm going to just lightly pull this through my hair. Alright, it doesn't matter if we don't get through the ends, because we're going to do that in a bit. Alright, now I'm going to put this in the back of my hair. Alright, now we're going to start with the left side. Again, put it on at the roots. Now, since we put all of this product in our hair, and I love the way how when you massage your scalp. Now we're going to just make sure that we have a lot of product on the bottom of our strands. I'm going to just put a little bit more, because I find that my hair is really dry at the end. So I'm going to just make sure I'm going to rub this in with my hands again. And make sure you get underneath. Like if you flip your hair up and you just put a little bit on the back, like right in the back of your neck, make sure like the hair right by your neck is getting this treatment as well. Because again, this is where you sweat mostly in the summertime as well. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we are going to make sure that the product is in our hair. So I'm going to just comb this through again. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this is a scalp massager and shampoo brush. This is by Mac Soft. I bought this on Amazon for like, I think it was like maybe $3 or $4. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna massage this in my problem areas where I know that it gets itchy or greasy. And this is again the back of my head. What I do here is I don't really make circular motions. I'm pushing the hair up. We're gonna just make sure again everything has the oil on it. Everything has the cream on it. All right, now usually what some people do is they kind of just leave their hair like this, or they put it in a towel. What I do is I braid my hair, and I think I told you about this. I keep it on for about 40 minutes. So we're gonna start with the left side, and again, these braids don't have to be perfect. Also, what I do is I don't want to use any rubber bands or any hair ties in my hair when I'm doing this. So again, I'm gonna just make braids, and if they come out while they're up, it doesn't matter. Alright guys, so again here I've got 2 braids, and I'm not going to clip them or put ties in them or anything. Instead I just have a little clip that I'm going to use. I'm going to put it back just like this. You guys see? So this is how it's going to look. And then I'm going to just take my clip and that's it. Now for 40 minutes, what I usually do is I burn a candle. This is actually from Bath and Body Works. This is Paris Cafe, and I read a book. Now after you use the mask, you want to rinse off with a baby shampoo. I felt that this shampoo in particular is very gentle to my scalp. This is so cute, guys. The top actually rattles. So adorable. Everyone. Alright, so this is the next day of how my hair looks. Now, last night I did not blow dry my hair. I let it air dry. So all I let it do was air dry it. I did not blow dry. I did not put any products in it. The next day, as today, I straight ironed this just for a little bit, for like maybe 3 minutes. And this is how my hair looks. Now, if you notice, look how shiny. And I wish you guys can actually feel my hair. It's so soft, it's manageable, it doesn't look frizzy. And again, guys, I did not put any product in this. My ends here, they're still, like, they still feel a little coarse just because I need a haircut. I have to get a trim. But I'm telling you guys, this stuff is so great. If you guys noticed, yesterday, this was a new bottle, and if you guys can see, it's about a quarter of the product that's gone. So I can use this about 2 or 3 more times. I highly recommend this product for someone who wants shiny hair, who wants manageable hair, whose hair is frizzy, and seriously guys, the way how it smells. I woke up this morning from a deep sleep, and when I woke up, I smelled my pillow and I was like, oh yeah, that's right, I wore the mask yesterday. You guys could definitely smell this. So let me show you the back. The most important thing that you can do for yourself is to make time for yourself. Using facial masks or hair masks, or going to get a massage, or doing a spa day, or doing a facial. This is really important to you. And my hair, since I dyed my hair, It goes through lots of trials and tribulations, and I know that my hair gets coarse and it gets brittle because of dyeing my hair. So I make sure I use that time, put it into your schedule every 2 weeks, use a hair mask. Trust me, your hair will thank you, and also you know you're doing something for yourself, so make that time. Alright guys, so again, I highly recommend this product, the Jasmine and Henna Fluff Eaze from Lush. There are multiple other treatments there that you could use for your hair, but I really like this one the best. I feel it works best for me. If you want to know more treatments that I do for my hair and for my face, please hit that like, subscribe, turn that bell on, and I'll see you guys real soon. Bye.